Here is a step-by-step action plan of getting things done, GTD, method tailored for you. Step 1. Collect. The first step in the GTD method is to gather all the tasks, projects, and ideas that are on your mind and put them in a central location, such as a notebook or a digital task management tool. This step helps to get everything out of your head and into a tangible format, so you can start to process and organize your thoughts. Step 2. Process. Once you've collected all of your tasks, projects, and ideas, the next step is to go through each item and decide what action is needed. If the task can be completed in less than 2 minutes, do it now. If it will take longer, schedule it for later or delegate it to someone else. This step helps to prioritize your tasks and ensure that you're focusing on the most important and necessary items first. Step 3. Organize. After you've processed your tasks and identified the next actions, the next step is to organize them in a logical order and group them by category. Use labels, tags, or folders to make it easy to find what you need later. This step helps to make your tasks and projects more manageable by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Step 4. Review. Regularly review your tasks and projects to ensure that they are still relevant and that you are making progress towards your goals. This step helps to keep you on track and ensure that you're not wasting time on tasks that are no longer important. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. This helps to increase visibility on YouTube, allowing others to benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the remainder of the video. Step 5. Do. Take action on the tasks that you have identified as important and necessary. Use the 2-minute rule to tackle small tasks quickly and avoid procrastination. This step is where the rubber meets the road and you take action to move your tasks and projects forward. Step 6. Reflect. Reflect on the process and your progress, what works and what doesn't, and make adjustments as necessary. This step helps you to gain insights into your productivity. It helps you to identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your process as necessary. Bonus tips. It's worth noting that this is not a one-time process, but rather a cycle that you will repeat regularly. GTD also encourages people to have a set of different lists like waiting for list, maybe list, someday/maybe list, etc. All these lists and tools are designed to help you get a better handle on your tasks and projects, and ultimately increase your productivity. We appreciate you watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. To receive notifications of similar videos in the future, we suggest subscribing to our channel. Remember, progress requires action, and we created these videos to make it easy for you to take action.